I always thought the rhythmic clack of a typewriter was oddly comforting, until the night it echoed through my silent apartment, each keystroke punctuating the emptiness with a chilling certainty. I hadn't owned a typewriter in years, yet here it was, typing away in the dead of night. Trembling, I followed the sound to my study, where an antique typewriter sat on my desk, its keys moving on their own. The words it typed were familiar, eerily so, details of my life I had never shared, secrets I had buried deep. As I watched, transfixed, the typewriter spelled out a name, Edgar Wallace, a forgotten author whose works had once lined these shelves. I felt a cold breath on my neck and turned to see nothing but shadows. The typewriter continued, outlining my future with terrifying precision. Edgar's story ended in tragedy, and now it seemed he was determined to write mine the same way. Each night, it types a little,